Excitedly hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. Today, we are diving into the world of keto with Real Ketones BHB Exogenous Ketones Drink. Let's get started. Holding the product. So, what exactly are exogenous ketones and why should you care? Well, if you're on a keto diet or just curious about boosting your energy and mental clarity, this might be the product for you. Real Ketones BHB Exogenous Ketones Drink is designed to support your keto lifestyle by providing a quick source of ketones, which are an alternative fuel source for your body and brain. This can be especially helpful if you're just starting out on keto or need a little extra boost. Opening the box, let's take a look inside. The packaging is sleek and informative, giving you all the key details you need. Inside, we have a tub of the drink mix and a handy scoop for easy measuring. Pouring water into a glass now. Let's mix up a serving and see how it tastes. The instructions recommend mixing 1 scoop with 8-12 ounces of water. Adding the powder and stirring. The powder dissolves pretty quickly, and we have a nice, smooth drink. Taking a sip, not bad at all. The flavor is surprisingly good. It's refreshing and not too sweet, which is a plus. I definitely enjoy drinking this in the morning or before a workout. So, what can you expect from Real Ketones BHB Exogenous Ketones Drink? First off, it can help with mental clarity and focus. I've noticed a significant boost in my concentration levels after drinking this. Secondly, it provides a clean source of energy without the jitters you might get from caffeine. Lastly, it can help support your keto diet by keeping you in ketosis, which is great for those looking to burn fat more efficiently. I've been using this drink for a couple of weeks now, and I have to say, I'm impressed. I felt more energized and focused throughout the day, and it's definitely helped curb my cravings. Plus, it's a great way to stay hydrated, which is crucial on a keto diet. Smiling overall, I think Real Ketones BHB Exogenous Ketones Drink is a fantastic addition to anyone's keto journey. It's convenient, tastes great, and delivers on its promises. If you're looking for an easy way to boost your ketone levels and support your keto lifestyle, give this a try. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you've tried Real Ketones BHB Exogenous Ketones Drink, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.